In today's video, I'm going to be working on a fun little table for two for Mother's Day. And I'm calling this one Peaches and Cream. Beautiful, soft peach tones complemented by rose gold. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you return as a family member. Now let's jump into what we're going to be using on today's tablescape. A beautiful soft peach tablecloth, peach napkins, and placemats. I also have some glam peach candle holders, hand-painted glassware that I picked up at the thrift store some time ago, and it's all complemented with some beautiful rose gold accents. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy as I put this tablescape together, and I'll meet you at the reveal. Happy Tablescape Tuesdays, the weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, myself, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be found in my description box below. So sit back and enjoy the reveal. hope you enjoyed this sweet little table for two for Mother's Day. Perfect for you and your daughter or you and your mom. Let me know what you think in those comments because you know I love hearing from you and getting your feedback. If you enjoyed today's video, give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And if you're not a member of the Amethyst Adventures family yet, today is the day to join. It is so quick and easy, honey. All you have to do is click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And as always, I'd like to remind my fellow YouTube creators that Tablescape Tuesdays is an open collaboration. Simply create your Tablescape video and don't forget to use our hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 2024 so we can find you and add you to the playlist. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to give a special shout out to my subscribers. All of my subscribers, my diehards, and my new subscribers, thank you so much for all your love, encouragement, and support. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.